Guys, dictation, dictation, and dictation. If you miss dictation, you miss PT exam, okay? I just want to be very clear. Please try to remember, dictation is the most important topic in the PT exam. Some teachers might say that repeat sentence. Yep, repeat sentence is also important. Probably the second important. Some teachers might say, no, repeat sentence is number one, okay? Regardless the case, repeat sentence and dictation, it's the most important topic in your PT exam. If you have exam next week, okay, please practice dictation, okay? Please practice dictation from a prediction file. If you're following any kind of prediction file, please solve all the questions in the prediction file, okay? Dictations are highly repeated questions. You will get 2 or you'll get 3, sometimes you will even get 4 common sentences, exactly 100% common from the prediction file, okay? You can follow Brisbane PTE Study Centre prediction file if you want, but you must practice dictation. This video is all about dictation. So you can see that I said the same word again and again so many times. Now, the reason what I want to mention is that sometimes what you do, you don't realize, okay, when you're giving the PT exam, you don't realize, okay, which question I'm not supposed to answer and which question I must study all the time, okay? Dictation carries 30 to 40 marks, okay? I might get 30 marks, one of my friends, he might get 40 marks, somebody might get 35 marks, but it's 30 to 40 marks. That's the amount of marks. Try to understand. 30 to 40 marks it carries in your listening and your writing. So what's the point of doing other questions? So I want to be very more specific, okay? In the listening section, you'll have about 17 minutes, approximately, plus minus 17 minutes. And you need to finish one after another, okay? You need to finish 7 questions. First, finish summarize spoken text, and after that you have 17 minutes. Quickly you need to go to dictation. Please, I'm begging this, please do not answer multiple choice single answer, multiple choice multiple answer, and please do not select missing words. I'm repeating again, multiple choice single answer, multiple choice multiple answer, and select missing words. Don't even touch it. If the question comes in front of you, select something random, wait, the audio is over, press next. You will have about 4 minutes. If you can skip these 3 questions, you will have 4 minutes to answer right from dictation. Please don't mess it up, okay? Please attempt right from dictation. Try to get as many words as possible. Every word carries 1 mark. Yes, I just want to mention that, can I add extra words? This is now an open secret. Yes, you can add extra words. The common words that I would probably say, a, the, to, of, and for, okay? These 5 words you can add in every sentence. However, if you're going after 79 each, probably you can add 2 to 3 extra words. But if you're after 50, 65, 5 extra words, a, the, to, of, and for. Please try to understand, this is very important, okay? You must get the dictation right. If you don't get the dictation right, you have to come back and you have to book another PT exam. That's gonna be worse, okay? You don't want that to happen. PT exam costs $410 and they're very expensive, right? You wanna get them in first go, so just remember, you must answer dictation. Number 2, remember to skip multiple choice single answer, multiple answer, and select missing word. Do this in your mock test, okay? If you're using different platforms like App Uni, Iowa, okay? If you're using Alpha, whatever software you're using, try to skip these 3 questions and you must answer dictation. That will make you practice that you will have about 3-4 minutes in your hand and take notes. Please don't forget that, okay? You must answer dictation. If dictation goes bad, the whole PT goes bad, okay? So I hope you understand. Take care. Good luck.